Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed product insights. Today, we're diving into what I believe to be the best wood bird cage accessory on the market, the Prevue Pet Products Coffeawood Java Tree Minis Medium Tabletop Playstand. This is not just any playstand, it's a thoughtfully designed piece that combines natural aesthetics with functionality, tailored specifically for small to medium-sized birds. The first thing that stands out about this playstand is the material. It's crafted from sustainably harvested Coffeawood, also known as the Java tree. This is wood sourced from trees that are no longer productive, so it's a great eco-friendly choice for bird owners who want to give their pets a natural environment without harming the planet. Each tree is unique, meaning no two playstands look exactly the same. The branches have a beautiful natural gnarled texture, mimicking what birds would find in the wild. This natural variation gives your bird a stimulating and engaging environment to climb and perch on. Size-wise, this medium tabletop playstand measures 22.5 inches in length, 14.5 inches in width, and stands 24 inches tall. The branch diameters range from just over half an inch to about 1 1/3 inches, which is perfect for the little feet of budgies, parakeets, cockatiels, lovebirds, and Quaker parrots. The size is ideal for placing on a table or inside a cage, providing birds with a dedicated space to explore and play outside their cage environment without taking up too much room. Functionality is clearly a priority in this design. It comes with one food or water cup, making it convenient for your bird to eat or drink while playing. Additionally, there are 2 eye screws included so you can hang toys or other accessories, enhancing the interactive nature of the stand. The sturdy base is wide and features rubber feet, which is a thoughtful detail to prevent any damage or scratches to your furniture or surfaces underneath. Assembly is straightforward and only requires minor setup, mainly attaching the trunk to the base using the outline guide. It's a simple process, but important to ensure the stand's stability. One thing to note is that the food or water bowl should not be tightened all the way down to the branches to maintain the wood's integrity. Because it is a natural wood product, slight variations like minor cracks, natural folds, or color differences should be expected. These are not defects but rather signs of authentic, untreated wood. This natural texture is what makes the stand so appealing to birds, offering them a tactile experience closer to what they'd encounter in nature. Care is simple. Just hand wash is needed to keep it clean and safe for your bird. This playstand is designed for indoor use, making it an active playground and resting spot right in your living space. To sum up, the Prevue Pet Products Coffeawood Java Tree Minis Medium Tabletop Playstand is an excellent addition for any small to medium bird owner looking for a natural, sustainable, and functional play area. Its unique design, natural material, and thoughtful features make it stand out in the crowded market of bird accessories. If you want to give your feathered friend a safe and stimulating environment that also looks great in your home, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.